All right, so I want to swap out the steering wheel in my 94 Geo Tracker with this stock one, and I'm going to put in this cool purple one instead. So let's go ahead and get that done now. Start by just ripping this horn button off this steering wheel. Then use a 17 millimeter deep socket to get the bolt out, or the nut out of there. Then just give the steering wheel a wiggle back and forth, and it comes off pretty easy. You can see the little turn signal tabs on the back there. Get that out of the way. All right, so now we have to put on the Grant steering wheel 3-bolt adapter first. Part number will be in the description here. So this bad boy goes on. It's got these little things for the turn signal defeats as well. It goes on sideways so that this little pin is always sideways, so these are straight up and down. Just presses on there with the little horn button thing also, so this will go out to your horn button eventually. So now that that's on, we can tighten it back down with the, oh, whoops, we almost forgot the backing piece. Where does that go? Oh, that goes on next. Hold on. We have this. Then we have this cool little cover. Kind of hides all of this junk back here. So that goes there. Like so. Which is fun. Then we can take the center bolt we took off. Tighten that down. I'm just going to start with a little snug so I can make sure I get all my other bolts lined up. Then I'm going to take this 3-into-6 adapter I bought off of eBay. It's a 1-inch adapter. I tried a shallower one once, and it was too shallow for the horn button to fit in there, so just be aware of that. It's going to stick the steering wheel out a little bit, but it's kind of what you need to do to have a horn button. So I'm going to take this thing, put the horn button through it, and then slide it into position. Then take the bolts that came with the Grant steering wheel adapter. What are they, like 7/16? Yeah, 7/16. That didn't work. I have to get kind of one started, then I can work on the rest. Ah. Well, those are not getting started through this little cover guy here, it looks like. Well, it seems that these bolts are just a hair too big for the holes on this spacer, so I'm going to have to go drill these out just real quick, and then I'll come back and finish this up. No wonder why they weren't wanting to thread in there very well. It's always something. Be right back. All right, so we got this thing all hogged out. So it looks like they were the right size, but after they powder coat it, it's just enough to like make the screws not want to go in. So just hit it with the drill just real quick and it cleared it right up. And now they're threading in much better. All right, now that I got that started, I'm gonna hit this center bolt just a little bit tighter just to make sure that it's good and snug on there. Because you don't want your steering wheel falling off. Now I can go after these little 7/16 jobs. All right, that thing's on there nice and snug. So now all we got left is to mount the steering wheel. But it seems I've lost my horn button. All right, so this is just a cheap steering wheel I found on eBay. I just wanted the cool purple color to go with my 90s theme here, so I just got this one. So we're gonna pop this horn button in. To the steering wheel. Hook up the wire on the back. But my horn doesn't even work, so I'm not even going to worry about the wire right now because horn doesn't work in this car. But if it did, I would just hook it up to the back of that steering wheel. And then you take this little cover, match it up like so, and start tightening it down. Well, seems this horn button is too big for this piece that they sent me. Isn't that great? typical crap on eBay, right? So maybe I'll just run just this for now. Figure out how to deal with this horn button later. Yep, I think that's what we'll do. We'll just bolt this on for now, like that, and call it a day. All right, so you just tighten up those bolts, and you are done. I'm going to see if I can figure out something with this horn, so you don't want to watch that, but yeah, new steering wheel installed using the Grant adapter for the Suzuki or Geo, and then a 3 to 6 hole adapter, 1-inch depth, and any steering wheel you can find that's a 6 bolt on eBay or anywhere else. And we are set. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks. All right, there's the finished product. I was able to adjust the horn button so it fits in there well. So it looks good. Just sticks off the column a little bit, but still super comfortable. Looks way better than the stock steering wheel. Took what, less than 20 minutes? Go buy all your stuff on eBay, then add a steering wheel to yours. Go do it. Hope you enjoyed. Subscribe for more.